Welcome to this month's newsletter. Today is September 29th. Looking at the S&P 500. Nothing there yet, just a sideways movement. Notice the Chicago might be running into congestion area. And also notice that anytime in the last months that the S&P has tried to break below the Kumo, the Chicago has never confirmed that move. So even here, the most likely target is now a test of the span B around 29.28. Wouldn't be surprised to see the index head down there to test that. And there it's going to find support on these candles for the Chicago. Now, if they do break it, and if the Chicago breaks down, that might be a change in trend, which we haven't seen in back here. So, but until that happens, I will continue to think the market is still consolidating or bullish. Same scenario on the Nasdaq. Nasdaq breaking below the Kumo, but notice the Chicago is caught in this congestion area, and just like the S&P, the Chicago has not confirmed yet a break. If they do break it below the Kumo, that would be a change of trend, and that would be a good place to put on some bearish positions. Let's look at gold. A really nice move here, but Chicago now into congestion area. I would not be surprised to see some more consolidation, and I would be a heavy buyer of gold if they can break through a Chicago, break the Chicago up through this congestion area, giving a nice Chicago breakout strategy just like they did back here. So continue to watch gold for some bullish movement. I would not want to short gold until it breaks below the Kumo. Oil. Nothing there yet. Oil is finding support. Chicago is finding support on these candles, and price finding support on span B. But it is a junky chart at this point. Really, no need to buy or sell oil at this point for trading purposes. So the 10-year Treasury notes might be going consolidation here. Chicago below these candles and consolidating. I would wait to see if they break this up, also break Chicago up through these candles in the next probably couple of weeks. But until then, at least I would think there's consolidation or possibly a breakdown if the bulls here cannot support it. I don't want to do any short positions here until they break it down. As far as stocks, people are asking still about Netflix. So Netflix again, really nothing there. Might be able to go up and test the keygen here for resistance. I would not want to be long on this one yet. We are bearish on the weekly and the daily. And Google, nothing there yet. We have big gap resistance area. Until they fill that gap and break above it, I really do not want to buy Google either. Nvidia was one more. Nvidia also nothing there. Nothing there to buy yet. Might be consolidation time, and then finally we'll have to see which side they break it up. You might have a small trend line here they can test. If they break the trend line to the downside, then you might play to the short side, but there's nothing in here to make me buy long at this point. That'll be, let's look at the UUP, last one for the dollar. Nice move up. We've been bullish dollar for quite some time here. This one also nice move. I would continue to hold long. Might be consolidating, but Chicago is free. Everything looks pretty good for keeping your long position on. That'll be it.